Alright, hey guys, Slump Brandon coming back at you guys with another video. Today is gonna be a short little install. I'm putting in the boost gauge. I've been putting it off for a while, so I figured I'd put it in today. I've been running around kind of trying to get the parts together. I'm tripping. Not bad. There we go, focused. Yeah, so I've been running around trying to get the parts together. This boost gauge is nothing fancy. I plan on upgrading it in the future. The reason why I'm using this one for now is because I basically got it for free. So when I bought my AEM wideband from the guy I bought it from, he was gonna sell it to me for like $130, which is straight. So I said, what's up? And then he threw in the boost gauge as well. So I was like, all right. I mean, I knew it wasn't nothing fancy. I just really wanted the AEM gauge. But this is the gauge I'm putting in today. It is odometer to, I'm tripping. It's an odometer boost gauge. This is the gauge I'm putting in today. So as you can see, I got the vacuum hose. I got the boost block right here. And yeah, so basically I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna be doing real quick. There's not a lot of videos on like how to do this shit, because I've been trying to get information on where a lot of people tap the vacuum lines. A lot of you guys are doing the brake booster hose right here. I didn't want to do that because that shit leaks, then my car gonna shut off, and yeah, that's just a lot of problems. I didn't want to tap that. So what I ended up doing, I'm gonna tap this line that goes to my catch can. So this goes to the catch can. This goes to the catch can, dumps off the oil, and the air goes back into the intake. So that's right before the throttle body, so I figured it would be perfect. Basically, I'm gonna put this T-fitting right here. I'm gonna put it right here. Follow that down and underneath the air box, and then put the boost block right here on the wall. So that's the plan. Right now, I just got the Teflon tape. So I'm gonna seal all these fittings before I put it on, and then I have this one blocked off for now because I don't have anything else in, like the wastegate and the fuel pressure regulator. That's probably gonna be the next video you guys see. Hopefully the fuel pressure regulator. But yeah, so let's get this. I'm gonna seal the rest of these off because these are the only two that I already put the Teflon tape on. So I'm gonna seal the rest off and cut that hose and put the T in, and I'm gonna show you guys from there. So yeah. And it's working correctly. At first it wasn't, had to troubleshoot a little bit, but it's working right now. I just tested it for some leaks. You really don't need this. Just anything with soap and water, spray it on the connectors just to see if any bubbles come up, and you'll see if there's any leaks. But I'll tell it's working because it's at 0. This gauge, when it's off and is not connected to anything, it's at like halfway to 5. So you can tell. I'm gonna disconnect the hose real quick so you guys can see. It drops to, I mean, it goes up to like 3, and it's not working. And then when it's checking for boost, it stays at 0. So I'm gonna try to set up the camera so you guys can see it, because I need 2 hands to do this. The line, and you'll see it go. See, so that's what it looks like when it's not connected, and when it is connected. Oh shit, I just stalled my engine. Just stalled my engine with a vacuum leak. All right, give me a second, let me start it back up. All right, so as you guys can see, accurately reading boost. Obviously I'm not on boost, so I can't show you guys it going up, but it's definitely working. This gauge only reads boost, it doesn't read vacuum. So it's pretty much gonna stay at 0 until I'm on boost. But I just wanted to get everything set up. The next gauge you're gonna see me doing is the oil pressure, which I already have the oil pan bung put in. So I just need to get the sandwich plate. But I'm gonna basically like tidy everything up. Now I gotta take apart the fucking. That's the most annoying part. I gotta take the fender. I gotta drop the bumper, run the line through the fender, up into the gauge holder. I'm gonna show you guys that after. I just wanted to show you the technical part first, just in case you're doing it yourself. Once again, I'm gonna show the lines that I'm using. Basically, I'm using the line from the catch can. This is the oil. This is the line that takes the air and is pulled by vacuum back into the intake. So this line that you see right here is gonna be cut. I got this line because I'm gonna put the T-fitting. This line's gonna go up here, and then I'm gonna put the T-fitting and have this line go under, and the boost block is gonna sit right over there. So that's the plan for this. You guys are gonna see it set up in a little minute here. So I'm gonna just put everything back together and then cut that hose and feed everything through. I'm probably gonna show you guys when the fender's out in case you don't know how to run it through the grommet. That's gonna probably be the hardest and the most annoying part. That shit is so annoying. But yeah, I'm gonna get to this so we can finish this up. There you go, guys. Everything is set up. No vacuum leaks. See, this shit is at 0. Now I'm about to show you what I just did. Let's just say I did this a lazy way because I'm really lazy right now. I don't feel like going through the fender, so I'm gonna show you guys how I did it. I'm gonna end up going through the fender when I put the old pressure gauge in, and I went through the fender with this because it drops and it comes up, but I didn't feel like going through the fender right now. So if you really need to see that part, go watch the video with the battery location, because that same place where I pushed it through the grommet through the fender is the same place where you would route this through. But as you can see, I have positive and negative. There's a backlight for this, so I'm gonna hook that up right after this. You guys don't really need to see the light. It's not even dark outside right now. But yeah, I gotta hook up the backlight for this. Let's see. So I have these are my wideband. These are my wideband wires, by the way. Don't worry about that. This is how I did it. Now I took an extreme shortcut. It's not gonna interfere with anything because when the door closes, it's not gonna have enough pressure to crush anything, and it's coming up. So it's going up right here, and then it drops through. So it should be just fine. Let me actually test that because I'm guessing it's gonna be fine, but I really don't know. I'm gonna close this door and see what happens, but I think it should really be fine. Yeah, it's fine. The whole reason why I'm doing this, yeah, I'm kind of lazy, but at the same time, I low-key don't have enough vacuum hose. And the reason why is because it's impossible to find that vacuum hose. I'm gonna have to order it online. It's 1/8. This is a stupid. I don't even like that gauge. I really don't like the gauge. I got the gauge for free, like I said, so I figured I'd just put it in until I get the other gauge that I plan on running permanently. But it's up and running. But yeah, I'm gonna just order some more of that hose, and when I get that hose in, I'll be putting the oil pressure gauge at the same time, so I'll run everything through the fender all at once. I just didn't want to run it through twice. So as you can see, it just goes up here into the fender, into the engine bay. Boost block is right here. This is also temporary. It's gonna be mounted right here. I don't like doing things halfway in a way, because basically, look, if I set it up right now, it's not gonna be long enough. So I'm basically gonna have to take the gauge out, because once I screw the holes there and try to route it through the fender, I'm basically gonna have to do everything twice. So if I'm gonna do everything twice, I might as well do the easy way right now. So basically that's gonna be on the wall, and it's just gonna be sitting down here for right now. But yeah, you can see the T-fitting right here. These fittings don't really need, I mean, this part of the T-gauge doesn't really need a hold down or a clip, because they're perfectly fitted. This is a 5/16 and the hose is 5/16, so that's straight. This hose that goes to the vacuum block is 3/8 though, because the fitting on there is bigger. So that's why I have that like that. So just, yeah. If everything is proportionally sized, it should fit the same. I just got the wrong, well, I didn't really get the wrong size, because basically the fitting on the boost block or the vacuum reference or whatever you want to call it it's pretty big, and the 3/8 is gonna struggle to get on, to the point where it's gonna end up getting brittle and breaking off. So I figured I'd just do that. So yeah, that's that. But for how fast I set it up and how it's sitting right now, everything's functional. I feel like I did a pretty decent job. Like, look at this. It looks all neat. It low-key does look neat. Let me just test this again, because I didn't even test it after I hooked it up the second time. Exactly how you want it to look, guys. You get any bubbles, it means you got a leak. So I'm actually gonna put a clamp right here, because I'm pretty sure it's gonna end up pulling out if I don't. But see, even when I spray on the fitting right there, I don't see any bubbles. No vacuum leak. So that's that, guys. That's gonna be it for today. Next video you're gonna see from me is probably me putting the headers back on, because I got eBay headers. Flex pipe broke on me, so I just got DC headers. They should be coming on Thursday, and then I'm gonna put them on, and after that I'm gonna go to the guy that's gonna be mocking up my turbo manifold. So he's gonna need the flex pipe for a couple hours so he can mock it up, and then yeah. So let me know, description down below, if you guys want to see me putting in the headers. I know there's a couple videos on it. It's really not too hard. You basically just got to drop the compressor and the alternator, and everything else is just tight spots, and it's going to take a little bit of time, but it's not really hard. But yeah, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Follow me on Instagram, Slump Brendan, and follow my build page, Slump_boosted. Thanks for watching.